So the question is asking to convert this infix expression to postfix. And so the easiest way to do this is by having our stack drawn out. Oops, sorry about that. And to convert an expression from infix to postfix, it's good to know that what goes into our stack are the operators, okay, not the operands. And so we're going to start with A. And then we're going to push the plus operator into our stack because it is empty. And then we're going to output B. And then because we have the multiplication symbol next, we're going to push it into our stack because it is of greater precedence than the addition symbol, right? And so that's multiplication. And then we are going to output our C. And because this plus sign right here after C is of lower precedence than the multiplication symbol on the very top of our stack, we are going to pop everything out of our stack first, plus. And then we're not going to have these anymore. And so for our new stack, we're now going to push in that plus operator. And then we're going to output D. And because we don't have anything left, we're going to call everything out from our stack, and then we're going to have plus. So this is why that is the answer.